Hello Veritrek Exploration Tool users. In this video tutorial, we will go through a description and a brief demonstration that will explain how and why you want to use the screening analysis feature of the Veritrek Exploration Tool. A screening analysis is most effective at an early stage in the design process. It allows a user to understand the relative importance of various input factors for given output responses. Normally, a screening analysis is very computationally expensive and can take days or weeks to perform. However, Veritrek helps overcome this computation cost by utilizing a reduced order model, which allows a user to obtain just as significant results in a matter of seconds. We will now look at the screening analysis feature of the Veritrek Exploration tool. The first step is going to be to set up a screening analysis from the Home menu under the video tutorial session that we have already created. So we are going to right-click on Video Tutorial Session, and from the context menu that appears, we are going to select Add New Screening Analysis. We will then be asked to enter a name for our new screening analysis. I am going to enter an analysis name and click OK. And there, now we have created a screening analysis. As you can see, there are default inputs and outputs selected, which are already showing a screening analysis plot. However, you can change these parameters to fit your model requirements. You can enter in or change input variables here in the input factor pane. You can then select different output responses here in the output response pane. The Veritrek Exploration tool very clearly shows which input factors are most important for a given output response. In this case, in-plane thermal conductivity and component power are most important for the maximum temperature of our model. However, if we restrict the range of the component power input variable to include only high levels of power, for example, we expect changes such as component power not having as large of an impact on our output result. And indeed, it does not. We can also add more than one output response to the graph to look at two output conditions at the same time. And we can also add another run of input variables by right-clicking on the screening analysis we created and selecting Add New Run in order to compare two different sets of data. Other screening analyses can be performed in this exact same way, and you can take the results from these screening analyses to move forward in the design process. Thank you for watching this video, and look to our other Veritrek Exploration Tool video tutorials for examples using the other analysis features, as well as more general help and explanation of the Veritrek Exploration Tool.